HailCo did a great job. Eddie really under promised and over delivered. Gonna be more excited. Thanks.
Thanks, Eric. Appreciate it.
So HailCo and Eddie took great care of me with my BMW 428. It had some slight hail damage. They got rid of every single piece of hail damage. It looks brand new. Eddie did a great job communicating with me. Very proactive, very professional. Felt like I was part of the family. These guys are awesome. I highly recommend them.
My brother Nick. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Car looks beautiful.
I'd like to express a 5-star review for HailCo and Eddie taking excellent care of myself, a superior level of customer service. I never felt like I was left in a loop or left hanging on anything. I was kept informed throughout the entire process. He met me at Enterprise. They took real good care of me and my car looks great. Thanks a lot, HailCo.
Thanks, Scott. Appreciate it. Whenever you're ready.
I am really happy with the service provided by HailCo. It was really convenient. They provided me with a rental car. We're in communication throughout the whole time. It was a short amount of time and turnaround, and the work they did is fantastic. So I would recommend them to anyone.
Thank you so much.
Good to go?
Yep.
Covered me with a rental car. Great satisfaction. I'm happy with what I got. Cleaned my car, washed it. Awesome service. Recommend it, highly recommend it. Great job, guys.
Thanks, Steve.
Hi, this is Frank. I'm a proud customer, happy customer of HailCo. Eddie was fantastic to work with, made the process as smooth and easy as possible. Would strongly recommend using them.
Thanks, Frank.
So, got my Subaru back. Worked with Eddie here at HailCo. Quick and easy repair process. Everything looks great. Had some hail on the top here. Everything got fixed pretty easily, so, you know, it was quick, easy, very transparent during the process, so 10 out of 10 would recommend them to anyone, so go to HailCo.
Hey, appreciate it, Davi. Thanks, buddy.
I brought my truck in, completely dented, beat up by that big hailstorm. HailCo had it. Great job. Looks awesome. It's like a brand new truck.
Awesome. Thanks, Reese. Have a good one, buddy.
HailCo did a great job of fixing the extensive hail damage on my car. The insurance company underestimated the amount. They took care of it. It took longer, but had a great rental car for the 2 weeks that it took. And very happy with the results. Highly recommend them.
Thanks, Chet. Hey, appreciate it. Have a good time. Enjoy your
I'm
weekend.
here with Charles. We just got done fixing a Chevy Silverado. You dropped it off, what, a week ago?
Yep.
Cool, and we were able to cover your deductible, correct?
Yes.
What do you think of the work, though, most importantly? You were hit pretty good.
Yes, it was hit pretty bad, and you guys did an excellent job. I appreciate it.
Awesome, and we helped line up your rental and everything else, too, so that was pretty easy for you?
Yes.
Awesome, cool. Well, hey, thank you for your business. We appreciate you, Charles. Hey, have a great day. All right, so I'm here with Nate. We just fixed his vehicle. How was your experience, Nate?
Great experience with HailCo.
Okay, so you dropped off, was it Thursday or Friday last week?
Thursday.
Today's Friday, so 8 days. We should have had it yesterday, but we had a little thing with the parts.
Yeah, ready in a week.
How do you like the work?
Great work.
High quality?
High quality, good communication in the process. All good.
And we covered, you had a $750 deductible, we covered $500 of that, correct?
Right, $250 out of pocket.
Boom, awesome. Hey, thanks, Nate. Appreciate you.
Right on.
Have a good one, buddy.
Tell us a little bit about your experience with HailCo.
You know, Eddie was great. I never had problems getting a hold of him. He kept in touch with me, let me know what was going on the whole process, so everything worked out great.
And it was a zero out-of-pocket repair, correct?
Zero out of pocket. I had to pay nothing out of my pocket for
And it took us about, what, 15 minutes to get you into your rental? Actually, it took us a little longer because they had a rental car shortage, but it's about 15 minutes once we do paperwork, right?
Yeah, they were quick. They were quick.
Awesome. Hey, Joe, thank you for your business. So, how do you like your automobile? What do you think of the hail damage repair?
What hail damage?
Yeah, exactly right. It's actually a brand new car we're playing with.
Yeah.
Took you a little longer, but we had to replace your hood, right? But overall, how do you feel about the repairs?
I think the repairs look great. I think the car looks great. I think the service was amazing and very timely and
We
great.
also covered your deductible, correct? Up to $500?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
You had a $500 deductible.
$500 deductible that I did not have to pay out of pocket, which I am very, very thankful for.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, hey, we're glad you liked it. And Eddie, you just let me know how you feel about your car.
Hey guys, I brought my car to HailCo because hail damage. I feel very satisfied. They did a wonderful job and they paid my other half of my deductible. Here's the proof. And I'm really impressed with their job. Thanks guys.
Herberto, Eddie, thank you, buddy. Let's take a look at this beautiful car. Hey, have a great day, okay? Thank you.
Well, I just got my car fixed. I love what they did. I got reimbursed for my deductible, so that was wonderful. I love how my car looks. It was fast, it was quick, and love the experience. So I'm ready to be in my car.
You look ready.
I'm
Betty,
ready.
thank you so much. We appreciate your business.
All right, we just got our car done at HailCo. It's my girlfriend's car. Did a phenomenal job. Guy came to the house and did an estimate. It was incredible. Got it done in about 3 days. Recommended.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
Had pretty extensive hail damage in my truck here, and a couple of my buddies highly recommended HailCo, and I took it here, and quote was really easy. They came to my office, gave me a good estimate, worked with my insurance company, and took care of the truck. Looking at it now, thing looks great. It was done on time, and I would highly recommend them in the future.
Awesome. Thanks, Joe.
My name is Joe. Recently got my vehicle fixed at HailCo, and they did an amazing job. Couldn't be happier. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Joe.
Would recommend them.
Hey, Lauren Rosenberg with HailCo. They completely fixed my car, zero cost to me, took care of me from this very start. Rental car, everything, greeted me super friendly, returned in 7 days. Yeah, I would definitely move forward and recommend HailCo.
How do you feel, Minnie?
How do you feel?
How do you feel, Minnie?
How do you
I want
feel?
to play some catch. Let's get it going. Cool. Thanks, Lauren.
I got a free hail repair from HailCo, and it's great. Yeah.
I do. Car got hit in hailstorm about a week ago. I took my car to Auto HailCo. They did a wonderful job. Got my car back in 5 days.
Got my hail damage repaired by HailCo. All looks great. Covered my deductible and my rental. Would recommend them to anyone.
Awesome. Thanks, Nick.